The big concern mark for them here at USC and grad students across the country is that if it passes, they may not be able to afford grad school. Demonstrators at USC and universities across the country are asking Congress to reject the GOP tax reform bill that's currently being discussed in the U.S. Senate. According to organizers, if the tax bill passes, it could make graduate school financially out of reach for thousands of students.
A lot of students are living on the very low stipends that graduate students receive, which is an average of about $18,000 a year for grad students across the country. And that's so that we can do research, we can teach college classes, we can grade papers and mentor students.
It affects grad students' quality of life where we have to work multiple jobs. Our teaching commitment will be compromised, and it affects everybody involved with the university. We're fundamental to every university.
The House of Representatives has already passed a tax reform bill. If the bill passes both houses of Congress, it would tax tuition waivers as income. Many of these USC grad students receive a tuition waiver in exchange for teaching, doing research, and grading papers.
So having that added expense is really gonna, I think, make people question whether they can continue in grad school, whether they might have to drop out or whether they have to get a second and third job, which is a reality for some people.
According to USC, there are 24,000 graduate students here. Those relying on tuition waivers, loans, and part-time jobs are hoping their voices are loud enough for Congress to hear.
We are imploring all of these graduate students here, and there's so much energy here. We're urging them to call their senators and let them know that this is going to hurt them.
And after today's rally, many of the students went to the organizers here, and it was done across the country, giving them contact information for their U.S. senators, urging them to reject the tax reform bill.